Hands up, come these ladies in the club, bullets and dime.
So that right there is why we're replacing the serpentine belt, guys. It's starting to fray. Kind of doing this video real quick right here for a reference. Alright guys, so here's the breather box. Basically you got 4 of the, I think it's T20, nope, T25 screws. So you got one here, one here, one here, and one back here. We're going to go ahead and take those off, pop a new filter, and probably blow out the case a bit as well. And of course my bit falls off. Two. 3. 4. I guess you can kind of partially leave them in there. You don't got to take them all the way out. Live and learn. There's the air filter. I got new K&N filters. Never have to replace these, the K&N, so I think they're worth the money to buy them. Plus a little bit better performance. I don't know if you can see all that, but there's some pretty nasty stuff in there. Blow these out. It's gonna get loud. Alright guys, so on to the spark plugs now. I already did this one back here, so I'm just going to do these two, do them one at a time. This is a T30 bit that you need to take off these screws. Just pull the boot out. And I always like to blow out the hole before I even take the plug out. make sure there's no crud in there. Just kind of my OCD-ness, really. And then of course it always makes it easier to do spark plugs with an actual spark plug socket. This one's a 16 millimeter. Plugs don't look too bad, but figured while I'm doing the air cleaner, air filters, I might as well go ahead and do the plugs. Plus hopefully Wendy will get a little bit better gas mileage out of it, so that's what I'm hoping, at least, because this thing only gets at best like 19 miles to the gallon. I'm hoping to up that number to about 21, 22 by doing all this. And these plugs are already pre-gapped from Bosch. Good old Bosch. I always do them all the way down, hand tight first, and then I'll bust out the torque wrench. Torque wrench is set at 15 foot-pounds. That ain't gonna be the best spot. It's gonna be in the way of my light. Yeah, looks like I might have to move the light. $15. Slide the boot back on. Make sure your holes are lined up. And just rinse and repeat for all the rest of them. Go ahead and put the video in fast motion at this point. So I'll talk to you guys later.
Something's different, but I don't know what's changing. I feel the comfort and the comfortable. the first time. Real life's better than my dreams. Take me with you to your own dimension permanently. I can't breathe.
guys, so the last step we're doing is we're doing the cabin filter. You'll need a T15. Yep, T15 bit. You gotta take out these 3 screws and then this side panel as well. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so after you remove the 3 screws, you just kind of slide the whole glove box assembly out, and then your cabin filter is back here. You just slide this back, pull it out, and there's your cabin filter right there. Should be just as easy as sliding it out. And man, there's lots of stuff in there. That definitely needed to be changed. And there's 2. Well, at least in this Mercedes there's 2. So yeah, those are pretty dirty. Take a quick look in there, see, make sure we don't have any more twigs or nothing in there. Looks good. And basically just slide the 2 in, back in, new ones, and then put everything back together. Alrighty, have a good one, guys.